It's finally here, the ultimate keyboard of PC gaming. I've received my Wooting 60HE rapid trigger keyboard, and I've finally acquired what's said to be the absolute best keyboard in PC gaming right now. The main draw of this keyboard is the extremely low latency and actuation distance of the keys, basically meaning you barely have to press the key for it to activate, leading to an extremely responsive and fast piece of hardware. What's the main benefit of something like this? Well, a lot of players in the game Osu use it to basically cheat in the game because this keyboard just lets them press the button way faster than any other keyboard. And basically, if you're playing something like Call of Duty or Warzone or Apex, press the key and you're gonna instantly move. You're gonna feel like there's no latency at all. And it's just a really interesting piece of technology. I always love trying new top of the line things, and this is certainly one of the best keyboards on the market right now, if not the best. So inside the box we have of course the USB-C to connect it to the computer. And we also saw the little ribbon that it comes with that has a handle on the side that you can put the ribbon thing on, but I don't think I'm going to use that. I like to go for a minimalist setup. It comes with 2 extra switches in the bag. It also comes with this, I believe you use it to change the switches, but I'm not sure, and then just this plastic thing. But yeah, that's what comes in the bag. And I tried to put on the ribbon thing, but I just couldn't figure it out, and I'm just not even gonna bother. But yeah, this keyboard allows you to take control of your gaming experience. I'm going to compare it now with the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. As you can easily tell, the Wooting is much quieter than the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini, and after using this Wooting for about a couple hours gaming, it is way better, and I think I'm going to shelf the Apex Pro Mini probably permanently. I don't think I'll ever use that one again. The Wooting is pretty much better in every way. And now I'm going to show you the software. You can either download the software, this Wootility, or you can go to the Wootility website and you can actually tune and customize your keyboard from their website and not have to download any software to your PC. So it has, of course, a bunch of different RGB options. RGB does look pretty beautiful. I'm going to take a video of all these different RGB options, but the main thing that everybody buys this for is for the performance tab. So I'm going to go to the performance tab. You can set this from all the way down to 0.1 millimeters of actuation point. It also has the rapid trigger option, the sensitivity, and the Tachyon mode. So all these different things that are gonna help you with your gaming experiences and just overall just help you, and you'll probably get way more kills and freaking chicken dinners and goals and touchdowns or whatever game you play with a keyboard on PC. This is gonna help. So I was really excited to show you guys this Wooting 60HE keyboard. I know it's not really a widely available keyboard. You have to wait a month or 2 after you order it. So I just wanted to show everyone what this keyboard is really all about. And yeah, this has been pretty awesome. It has all these different features. I don't know if I'll ever get around to looking at what they all mean, but I've activated the Tachyon mode and the rapid trigger, and it is certainly making my gameplay a lot more fun. It's helping me a lot. So guys, have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.